Listen, when I make it, we make it, all right? I wish I had like an Australian accent, because the voiceover would be way more sexy. Like, you're the froth to me.
Right.
I be sounding like, my boys be like, you sound extra Haitian in Brooklyn, bro. I'm like, I'm not a voiceover voice, man. Like, it is what it is, bro. Like,
all right, that's a better shot. Real coffee makers would cook me for using this automatic frother. All right, exactly. And you get no latte art.
Oh, I was gonna say that. You're not making art. You guys had this one at the old crib?
Yeah, we had it like, because we bought it. Maybe we bought it last Christmas. Last Black Friday, yeah, that's last Thanksgiving, yeah.
Caught a nice little sale. Cause why they go for like 5 or something like that?
It's like 7. It's crazy. You how much sugar you like?
Like 2 spoons.
Just like 2 of these little spoons.
Yeah.
Never tell what's in there.
Oh, you definitely. Oh, yeah. I had mine in just like 10 seconds.
The problem is it's low on water. That's why it's taking so long. Alright, it's like, I think that's frothy enough.